All right, guys, we're over here at Max Motorsports in Pelham, Alabama. Let's go shopping. We got the new Mantis, $3 grand. Kind of like that thing. Check out this cool gas. I think it's for sale, I'm not sure. Supermoto. Also got a Stark Varg. All types of mopeds. Got some used bikes. 11 grand for our 501 street legal. It's only got 187 miles. Then we got some used bikes over here. Good deals. Got all types of street gear. Your Royal Enfields. These Zero bikes are cool. If you're gonna get a street legal electric bike, grab a Zero. Check this out, 690 Enduro. Oof. Factory dish, 2 strokes. Get yourself one of those. Have all the new Dukes, Supermotos, all types of Huskies, gases. I mean, you name it, guys. They're running some deals, and then you got tons of tires, rims, bikes, gear, and they got the good gear too. They got all the good stuff. You got all types of chest protectors, jerseys, gloves, you name it, all types of accessories, guys. I mean, come on. Backpacks, gloves. I mean, check this out. It's too much stuff. What's cool is they got the lock-ons with the holes, which I'm buying. Now, a lot of people suggest these. I'm not going with those. Even the guy that works here, he races, and he said these are more of roost protection, outdoor motocross stuff. Said enduro, trees, woods racing, definitely get the wraparounds, which is what I prefer anyway, so that's what we're gonna go with. You can get pretty much any color that you want. Fired up. Every square inch of this place has accessories, so they got cool stuff, man. I do like this Fast House stuff. They got some really cool Fast House stuff, the quality stuff. Might have to get myself some of those. Just goes on and on. They got VP Fuel, kids bikes, so they have a huge parts selection too, and a huge service department. So come to Max. All right, fam, so there you have it. Enduro Engineering. Like them a lot. Came out really good with this bar pad too. Definitely like the wraparounds, bounce off some trees, tight situations, we'll see. So I normally have my suspension set right in the middle. It's easy for me to reset it, but I went down 3 here, went down 3 in the bottom, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. I think that'll be fine. We can easily convert it right back to motocross or arena cross. She's ready for race day. Yeah, we can also add another official sponsor to the truck. Yeah, there you have it. It's 5 a.m. Just waking up. Race day. 26 degrees out, or 28, something like that. It's gonna warm up though. It's be about 50 degrees midday, I think.
A few moments later.
Man, boom, guys, just like that. We're fired up, hitting the road. Time to head south. But yeah, let's talk about this SECCA race. So I did one last year on a TTR 230. I did C40 plus, and I didn't do too bad. I only did 1 lap, but this will be my first time doing a SECCA wood style enduro cross country type race where I have a full-size bike. The actual course is about 9 miles long from what I'm hearing, and I've already watched some YouTube videos on it. Doesn't look like anything too crazy. All right, guys, we're almost there. My buddy Jesse's behind me, and looks like a lot of people are already here. Reynolds Pasture, Perry Mountain Motorcycle Club. Let's go. All right, I think registration's up here. Gonna go get registered. Tons of people here.
So just walk in, it's all people there, grab it whatever you want.
It's pretty cool. Lots of people here. Lots and lots of people. And people are still showing up. All right, guys, Jesse's here. He's fired up. He's got his KTM. He drove all the way from Georgia. It looks like everybody's gonna start heading over to the starting lines. So that's what we're gonna do. It's about 11:10. I got the stopwatch mounted here on the bar pad. Hopefully that doesn't break off, or we'll see how it goes. So hopefully you guys can see the watch. Go to stopwatch mode. Boom. Right next to Wallace on his new bike. He's around here somewhere. Yeah, man. Well, good luck out there, brother. All right. That's 30C and 40C. 40C is stacked. Just like D-class arena cross. Behind me. Go! Pace myself. Yeah. They're quick. That was Jessica. Oh shit. That's what it is. Go! Hanging in there. Still warming up, still. For 14 minutes. I think a lap is about a minute, or 22 minutes. to the end soon, I think. Now we're warming up. Good now. Arms don't hurt. Oh, that was fucking close. Oh, so roots, they'll get you. Oh, big downhill. Can't go too fast. Fall over the front. Ooh. Here. Idle sounds a little too high, but it's okay, it ain't flaming out. So it sounds like probably only get 2 laps in, but I might be okay with that. I don't know. Haven't even completed 1 lap yet. Uh-oh. Holy smokes. Oh my god, it's gnarly, guys. Where are we going? Looks like a pro. Oh, bro. Oh, we got the stingy arm a little.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, guys, so I got 2 laps in, the GoPro died, and I didn't fall at all, I didn't stop at all. Clearly, I ain't no woods guy like pro, but that was fun, man. I got 2 laps in. I was gonna try to go for a 3rd, but they took us off, so I think it's about 35 minutes each lap. I'm gonna go back and look at the real time. I'll let you guys know in just a minute. About 37 minutes, I think, was my fastest, so I'll take it. You know, like I said, I pulled off a few times, let some people pass, but it's definitely gnarly. I hope Jesse's okay, because he's out there somewhere. I'm loaded up, but worried about my buddy on the KTM. I don't know where he is. Bro, you survived, bro. All right, guys, check it out. So Jesse's bike, he put brand new handguards on it too, and they took a beating. He was out there sending. So factory dish looks good. Jesse, will you do it again, man? Would you come back out or?
On a different bike.
On a different bike. We're both gonna buy like 300 XCWs now and just leave our motocross bikes at home in the garage for supercross when we ride professional supercross. We're getting out of here. So good job, man. Check this out, guys. My assumption is it's a controlled burn. It's definitely my assumption. What's this guy doing? right, guys, so that race was pretty humbling, to say the least. I know it's not the most exciting video you've ever watched, but hey, it was fun, and you know, I didn't crash, and I have a few friends that were out there that did pretty well, 31 minutes and 34 minutes, and I was around 37. Not the worst, not the best. Hour, 16 minutes, and 29 seconds is what this claims. It's pretty accurate.
A few moments later.
All right, just like that, guys, I got the bike cleaned up, and I got my regular grips back on, and I took off the hand guards. It's fairly simple to do because we have motocross coming up this next weekend, so it's gonna be back to the track life after this one. That's the whole thing. This channel is basically about, you know, vlogging and hitting all different types of racing. So you're gonna see the woods, you're gonna see the arena cross, you're gonna see the motocross. There's plenty of guys that are way faster than me, plenty of videos on SECCA. If you want to see the whole hour and a half, please, I invite you to go watch those, because I cut out a lot because it's just a long woods race, and you know, I'm not gonna edit the whole thing myself. But since that was my first SECCA race on a big bike, I will tell you this much. It was very evident that I had the wrong bike, and I'll start by saying that, you know, the 19-inch rear wheel with the little skinny tire, that's definitely an issue. The suspension not being set up for woods, that's certainly an issue. 3 clicks out was certainly an issue. I felt like I was one of those kids on those little springy rocker playground things. Oh, and it's worth mentioning too, my GoPro's mounted somewhat inside my helmet. It's not on the chin mount, so you definitely heard a lot more of my breathing, but my breathing hasn't been perfect. I had the flu like a month ago, and it really hasn't been perfect since, so hopefully that gets better, because my endurance was hurting out there a little bit, but my body's not used to it. You obviously want to make sure that you have a bike set up for the woods, for woods racing. And if you're going to do arena cross or motocross, you certainly want a bike like this set up too. You basically need both if you're going to do both styles of racing, to be completely honest. That's my opinion. You know, aside from suspension being, you know, resprung and revalved, you got 6-speed transmission. You have a 18-inch rear rim that's heavier. You got the heavier, wider tire in the back. It helps keep you planted. I mean, to have confidence on those woods and go faster, you certainly need the bike set up properly. 100%. Everybody knows that. I mean, I could tell that my clutch was getting hot. I was getting clutch fade. I had to adjust this on the fly when I was out there. My idle started going up. I think the idle went up high because it wasn't used to the warmer weather. Last time I rode this thing was arena cross. I think it was like 30 degrees or something like that. So, you know, things were just way different out there in the woods. And I actually didn't do too bad. I'm actually like 157th place out of all the C-class riders. I think there's like 205 of them, something like that. But more importantly, instead of looking at that, you look at my time, a 37-minute lap. That wasn't terrible, because I think the fastest in C-class was like 27 minutes, and I think some of the slowest is about an hour, maybe a little bit more. So I'm actually right in the middle, no matter how many guys were actually out there. For the AM races, the C-class, pro guys, they were doing 22-minute laps, 5 laps. Like, that's crazy. Those guys are insane. You have to go watch those videos. You know, I tell people arena cross is actually a pretty tough sport, and it really is. Even though Alabama arena cross isn't pro AMA by any means, it's very difficult to get the whole shot, get out front, stay out front, and then get a podium or top 5 at least. Well, woods racing is equally, if not more dangerous. A lot of guys are out there getting hurt. Thankfully, I didn't fall or get hurt. I didn't have to stop or anything. But the woods guys, you got to definitely give them props, because flying through those woods like that, and all the roots and all the little, you know, tree stumps and all this other stuff. If you fall, hit a tree, I mean, it's actually very, very dangerous in the woods. And arena cross is dangerous too. Same with motocross outdoor. With SECCA, we were only there for like a couple hours. Once we got there, we were in and out really quick, which kind of took something away from it. It seemed like a lot of people finished the race and then left. I saw a lot of people leaving. You know, we finished the race and we left. I don't know. There's something about arena cross and Sweet Home Alabama motocross outdoor being an all-day event that adds value to it, in my opinion. Walking around, talking to people, meeting people, watching all the different racing going on right in front of you, that actually is very enjoyable to me. SECCA is cool too, because you get out of there early, but I felt like something was missing. I don't know. We got there, we signed up, we raced, and then everybody left. I don't know. Maybe I didn't get there early enough. I don't really know. Either way, guys, it doesn't matter. I enjoy any type of racing, and I'm going to do GNCC. I'm going to do another SECCA event when I can. We're jumping into Sweet Home, Alabama this Saturday coming. I'm definitely going to do more arena cross as it comes. So that's what this channel is about, is doing it all and not getting hurt, and then riding another weekend, or I should say racing another weekend. So I don't knock nothing. Everything's fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Maybe not. Who knows? Check you on the next one.